Let me also get your screen share up and running. But The Social Network is a movie about the origins of Facebook. It's a fictional retelling of Mark Zuckerberg's time at Harvard in the early 2000s and what choices and actions led us to the modern web that we enjoy today. So, with that being said, we want to watch this. If you haven't seen it before, it is not bad. Some of it has aged a little bit poorly, because it is from 2010, but it does still have a lot of valuable information for us to use. So anyways, you're welcome to watch. You are welcome to work on other classwork. You're welcome to continue coding. But this is the main thing that I want to have us prioritize for a bit. Let me pull up your agenda so you can see what kind of thing I need to share with y'all real quick. Let me find it. Okay. So, modules. 317, 21. Let's look at Thursday. Okay. So, there is something I want to disclaim real quick, because after I hadn't seen this in a really long time, and it was a long time before I was a teacher, and I want to clear a few things up before I start this movie if you're choosing to watch it during these next few days, okay? It does contain a lot of college lifestyle depictions that can be interpreted as poor choices, including drinking, gambling, there's fraternity hazing, there's lying, there's bribery. There's a lot of, what a lot of people would describe as kind of bad stuff, kind of, not the most school-appropriate type stuff in this movie. It's PG-13, so you guys are all over 13. But anyways, I want to be clear that the choices made in this film I am showing you because I want you to see what kind of things you should be considering in order to be an ethical web developer, one who is concerned with your users' privacy and publications and things like that, and also provide a little bit of, even though it's fictional, context about what things lead us to the modern internet that we experience nowadays. The modern web through social media, the modern web through the onset of iPhones, okay? That being said, there's a lot of, because it's from the early 2000s, the lifestyle is pretty different, and the context of their lives is pretty different, but I just want to be clear that I do not endorse the actions in the film, the school does not endorse the actions in the film, and the class do not endorse any of these poor lifestyle choices that these characters make. Okay? I'm showing you this to illustrate broader context of the programming world and how we have reached today's version of said world. Okay? Does that make sense? So, just be aware, this movie is PG-13, and it is, college lifestyle, making poor choices. So keep in mind that while you're watching. My main objective with showing you this film is to understand how people and individuals influence the way the web happens as we know it today, and you'll also be able to analyze a fictional retelling of events that changed the web design and programming worlds forever. Okay? So, I found out earlier that the screen share does not block Hulu, because Disney Plus and Netflix, they block it if I share my screen. But Hulu is fine with it. So let me get logged in real quick, because I thought I was logged in. Okay, sweet. I stayed logged in. Okay, so we had, let me see where first period was at real quick. Okay, we were at 33, 38. Okay, let's start this over.